Okay guys, this is what you have to do. First of all, connect your phone to the internet, just like I've connected mine. Then you come back, open your browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge. When you open your browser, go to www.savefrom.net. When you get here, open the link. Okay, when you get to this particular place, you're going to see that SafeFrom is a free online video downloader. So what do you have to do next? This place you are going to see this, enter the URL. This is the particular place where you're going to enter the URL you copied from YouTube. So what do you have to do next? Come back to YouTube, open your YouTube app. When you open your YouTube app,
this is $10,000. If you can take this coin from under this plate without touching the plate with any part of your body, then you can keep this $10,000. If not, you must give me $10,000.
Yeah, then we do WhatsApp, email, Facebook Messenger.
No, you're not allowed to blow it. You are not allowed to blow the plate.
You have copied that particular link of the video.
I'll be back.
Okay, where's she going to?
Tap on this, enter URL. Paste this URL you copied from YouTube, then you click on this button. You can see that this is the video. It will now ask you, or it will now require you to select the video quality that you need. You now see MP4 720, and you also see MP4 360. For you to have a better quality, you have to go for the one of MP4 720, which is the one I'm selecting. Then you click on then you click on download. You can see the video is downloading. So let's open the video and see if what we did worked. Right, this is it. The video.
This is $10,000.
Now
if you can take this coin from under this plate without touching the plate with any part of your body, then you can keep the $10,000. If not, you must give me $10,000.
Share and comment on this video. Subscribe for more. I love you.